Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing? So, this is Doggy GFX. We're another week with another trade. So, I'm going to explain what trades I took this week, what happened, and why it happened. So, let's get right into it. So, this week I took two trades on GBPUSD. As you know, I always trade GBPUSD. So both of them went to my direction, of course. As you can see, the short here, the short retracement here, and the biggest long here. They've all both gone my direction, but unfortunately, I lost this trade, both of them. This one and this one. So on this one this one you see is an added position. The position with the red stop loss area is added position. The one at the back is the original position. So yeah, here's what happened. So first, let me show you the technical analysis part. So like in my trading, I see from the higher time frame the direction of the market, as always. I saw it. So last week was strong bullish momentum. So then if the 1 week is a strongly bullish momentum, there's a high chance for the coming week to be also strongly bullish momentum. As you can see, it's already at the support area, so it was going it's pushing upward. So it's likely will continue pushing upward the coming week too. So with that strategy, I decided to took a bullish like long on GBPUSD. So then when it comes to the daily time frame, it was around here. It already pushed to the key zone here. Then it was adjusting back. Then I used to think I broke one of the rules, so I just want to see what happens if I trade the retest. So I want to trade the retest. Yeah, it happened. Yeah, it played in my direction. Yeah, of course, but it took me out on what was this spread. So the price came here, it reached this key zone area, then it was retesting. So my first idea was taking the bullish long from here, so from this position. Then I wanted to trade with a small position, so I wanted to trade the short too. Then I entered the short around here, so the retest, that small retest 40 or 30 pips. Then I came to one time frame. It goes up there, it retested. It's a little bit of consolidation here. Then it's pushed down. It broke this lowest point, and then I came to the lower time frame, the 15 time frame. So get my confirmation there. So on the 15 time frame, it went down, and then the price pulled down above this 2 AMA. So it was around here when I was entering. So I was like confident that it's going to retest. Then what happened? So the moment I entered, the price retraced back to the initial point, this point, this area where it was accumulating first. So then I put my stop loss a little bit above this. Then I should have waited it to retest back to the original point, but I didn't wait it, so it came back, as you can see here, like for 1 pip of my stop loss, it took me out on. So because of the spread on the broker, so the spread was 1 pip, then it took me out there. So then actually it didn't took me out on the first one, so it took me out on the second one. Yeah, on the second one, after I added position, it took me out the both of. Then it came really close, and then it became down. Then I entered around here for the bridge. I thought it was pushing down, and then it came and grabbed some liquidity and they went up. It took me out both of the positions. I had position here, but both of the positions, and it played well in my direction. So this happened first, and then I was preparing to take the long, the original trade. the one with my own rules. So when I was preparing to take the long two, it came here, retested, and it was pushing back, pushing upwards. So I was like, yeah, this is it. This is it. Like the AMAs are crossed, it's retested back to the original position, and then I took. What happens? Biggest red candle appears along, entire long. Biggest red candle appeared. Then it took me out. Then look at what happened here. Took me out. Then it straight went almost my full TP. Look at this. My full TP was like 99 pips. It came all the way to 90 pips. Imagine, this is really heartbreaking. So what happened here was like I entered too early. I guess I didn't wait for the liquidity grab. So it came here. It grabbed some liquidity. Hit most of traders stop loss like me, who entered on the first retest and reversal sign. So it took all of us and it went straight back up. So this is my weekly trade recap. So there's two positions I lost this week. It's really bad. It was really bad. It played well in my direction. That's something I'm proud of, and that's something I'm proud of. But a little bit of moderation is needed now. So I should have waited for the liquidity, but it played well in my direction. I don't regret this trade, losing this trade. So because it played in my direction, I'll be mad if it was like bearish after this. Actually, I'm not gonna be so mad, but so this is what it looks like. So here the liquidity grab, that was one I'm missing. If it had been like a very nice trade, oh god, could have been like crazy trade. So this is what happened this week. So we're gonna wait for the next week to come, and we're gonna keep continue trading. So that's what we do. We trade. Another lesson learned, another stop loss hit. So see you all with a new update on next week.